Hey there, adventure seekers! Today, I'm taking you on an exhilarating journey to the heart of Madagascar, where an enigmatic crater hides secrets waiting to be unveiled. Buckle up, because this isn't just any ordinary crater. First up, let's talk location. Nestled in the remote region of Ankaratra, this crater, known locally as the Fossa crater, is a hidden gem, rarely touched by the hands of modern explorers. If you love off-the-beaten-path destinations, this place is right up your alley. Now, what makes this crater so special? For starters, its sheer size is breathtaking. Spanning almost a mile wide, it's like stepping into another world. Imagine standing on the edge, looking down into this vast, natural amphitheater. The view is simply out of this world, but the real magic lies within. Descending into the crater, you're immediately greeted by lush, verdant vegetation. Unique plant species, some found nowhere else on Earth, thrive here. It's a botanist's paradise, and if you're a wildlife enthusiast, brace yourself. The crater is a haven for rare and exotic animals. From the elusive fossa, Madagascar's top predator, to vibrant chameleons and otherworldly insects, it's a living, breathing exhibit of biodiversity. You'll feel like you've stepped into a real-life nature documentary. Thinking of diving deeper? The crater's serene lake is a must-see. Crystal clear waters surrounded by towering walls of rock, it's a sight to behold. Local legends even speak of mysterious underwater caves that connect to hidden chambers. Talk about an adventurer's dream, but remember folks, safety first. Always explore with a trusted local guide and respect the natural habitat. Preserving these wonders ensures future generations can experience the same thrill we do. So, what are you waiting for? Madagascar's enigmatic crater is calling your name. Pack your bags, lace up your boots, and get ready to uncover secrets that few have ever seen. It's an adventure of a lifetime, just waiting to be discovered. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more epic journeys. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.